Hello, fellow business owners. It's Ginger Allen with your Marketing Liaison. When it comes to marketing, we've got you covered. From TV to branding and everything in between, hit the subscribe button below and enjoy the ride. Some things you should be looking for in a PR person are experience. So you want to look for somebody that's been doing this a while. If somebody tells you, I just graduated with a PR degree, that's great, but they probably won't be able to help you in your business because the PR business is all about relationships. So you want somebody that says, I've been doing PR for 5 years or more. Somebody that tells you I have relationships with the media. Somebody that's got great writing skills, can provide you with some examples of those writing skills, some examples of some press releases. So again, the most important thing to look for is somebody with experience and also somebody that understands your business. So different PR people specialize in different types of businesses. So you want somebody that understands your business, is able to help you with your business, and has maybe worked with somebody in the past that has a similar business. The other thing that you want to look for is somebody that is independent. As a small business owner, you probably will not be able to afford a big agency rate. Look for an independent PR person that has their own firm. They're going to be more reasonable than the larger agencies. When looking for a PR person, the reason why it's important to have somebody that has experience is because you're going to want to see samples of the work. You're going to want to see some TV segments that they've done. You'd like to know who the reporters they have relationships with stations, what TV stations they work with, so that you can make sure that it's in alignment with your brand. You can also ask that your PR person that you're interviewing for examples of their writing, magazines that they've done articles for clients, for other print media they've been engaged in. Whether it's local or national, you can see a sample of their work. The other thing that's great about PR people now is that they're really getting into social media. So they can help you with your Facebook Lives, they can help you structure a podcast, they can help you learn how to do a proper video, they can help you structure your posts properly and get on other people's social media. My PR person, for example, has helped me with tagging the proper news people, tagging influencers, so they're just great. They are worth their weight in gold, and I highly recommend that you get one for your team. If you have any questions about what to look for in a PR person, please comment below, and until next time, we've got you covered.